Today, we are going to change any images, like this to this, in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start the game.
Preview.
To take your photos to next level, create a new letter artboard in Adobe Illustrator. To open a line tab, press Shift plus F7 button. To place the image, go to File, click Place. Double-click the image and place it. Now, let us adjust the image into the artboard. For that, change its height to 720 points, and align it to center. Now we have to add the effect. For that, go to Effects menu, select Artistics, and click Palette Knife option. Now adjust the stroke according to your need, and click OK button. Just wait till the progress is completed. Finally, we transformed a normal image into an epic image. Yeah, that's it. Subscribe to my channel, and help me reach 1K subscribers. Thanks for watching.